Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the previous year GATE question number 97. This question is from GATE 2015 examination. Let us read the question. A buck converter feeding a variable resistive load is shown in the figure. The switching frequency of the switch is 100 kHz and the duty ratio is 0.6. The output voltage V0 is 36 volt. Assume that all the components are ideal and that the output voltage is ripple free. The value of R that will make the inductor current IL just continuous is. Okay. So it is a buck converter we are having, and the given data switching frequency is equal to 100 into 10 to the power 3 hertz, that is 100 kilohertz. Next, duty cycle D is equal to 0.6. V0 is equal to 36 volt. Vs is equal to 60 volt. Okay. And if we check, just continuous means is like a critical value of R they have you asked. Okay. Just continuous. Okay. We already discussed in video sessions. So we need to find the R critical. R critical. Right. Which is equal to, yes, we are having the expression for the R critical. It is equal to 2L upon 1 minus d into R, 1 minus d, sorry, into T, 1 minus d into, right, 2L upon 1 minus d into T. This is the expression we have derived during the video sessions. Okay. So now if you check, yes, L value is given, T we can find. Okay. T we can find, it is like a 1 by F. Okay, 1 by F. So we can write it as 2 into L. What is the L? It is a 5 milli, 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by, it is a 1 minus d, that is a duty cycle, is 0.6, 0.6 into t. T is equal to 1 by switching frequency. What is the switching frequency? It is 100 kilohertz. So it is 100 into 10 to the power 3. Okay. So from this we can write it is equal to, yes, it will be 100 into 5, right? So that is a 10 divided by 0.5 is a 2500. Okay? 5 ohm. Okay. This is the value of R critical. The value of critical. Okay. Right. So this is about the question number 97. In the next video, we are going to discuss the question number 98. Thank you.